Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I'll
Yes,
roll out.
ma'am.
So I'll tell you what is the first requirement. Try the same, then we will update on video. For that, I will share the service. So it's a continuation. A quick recap. So we started YouTube material design. So we had app component. So apart from that, through schematics, we generated what?
Navigation and dashboard.
Let it be header
Dashboard.
component. By using schematics, dashboard, which will be video content component. So this is what our first sprint. In our first sprint, we will have 3 components. So including your app component, we have header component and we have video content component. So this header and video, we didn't start from scratch. We used schematics. So in sprint 2, we added upload functionality. You remember this? By using template driven approach. So there will be additional one component, which is video upload or upload content component. It's a form. So along with these 3 components, we added a new component, which is upload content component. By using template driven, we applied validation. YouTube with upload functionality. Just confirm. So 4th component will be there. Guys, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's just a form. Where you will input all the details. And sprint 3 is about live stream functionality. This is also a form where this is reactive form. Yesterday's topic. So where we have included maybe for yesterday live stream component. So video with live stream functionality. They want us to create studio live stream component. Let me make the same name. Studio live stream component. So by using schematics, we will have header and side nav. So we will create the component and there you will have title, start date, time, end date and time, details. I received a question on this guest list. What is this guest list?
Emails.
You can, yeah, email we want to enter. It's not a direct text box. It's a kind of a chip. Give me a minute. So match chip list displays the value based on individual keyboard accessible chip. Anyway, we are going to enter whomever the guest is going to join. So those email ID, it's a kind of an invite you are going to send. Give me a minute. So let's assume I'm giving some mail ID. So this 2 is example for this chip list where I will create a live stream functionality. There I will keep all date and time. Along with that, there will be an chip list where I will enter the item. So what I can give. So let me give some name. upload with so can you see the difference between text box and this chip list?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a regular text box we used to have, and this is a drop down. So additionally, for a guest whom we are going to give an invite kind of a thing for the live video stream. So there should be an option to enter any number of fields. Make it the field as email ID itself. We are going to give an request through email. So make this chip list. Even this is fine. Or whatever the email ID I have entered, even I want to display in the bottom, that also it's fine. So I'm talking about sprint 2, this reactive form sprint, built-in validators and custom validation. I suggested you to use Moment. Okay, let me come back to today's sprint. So if you take, as of now, after completing sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, in your YouTube application, there will be 5 components, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no connection between all these components. So navigation you need to implement. So by the end of phase 3, by the end of sprint 3, your YouTube will have landing view, studio view, and I think some typo error, where we will have studio view with upload video, and there will be another view where you will create live stream. So all the 3 views are currently discrete and needs to be integrated. So user should be allowed to navigate to desired views. So there were 5 components. You need to connect with all the 3 components. So connection or navigation is possible with the help of routing. This is a continuation of sprint 3. Extend, don't create from start. Use the same sprint and you add whatever the requirement is stated in above. So I will show you a video which is required. Wave 26 Angular 2, yeah. ViewTube with navigation. Tomorrow, we will continue with ViewTube with secured routes. So as of today, with navigation. So we done with header, side nav, and what is this card component, dashboard. So this is what we want to add. Have you noticed a top right corner? So make it as a button. And when you click Visit Studio, so there should be a navigation on your landing page at the top right corner after your notification bell symbol. I hope you added this Visit Studio. So when you click Visit Studio, have you noticed the change? This is your landing page. So when you click that Visit Studio, so you should get this, whatever the thing which is in front of you. How to achieve this?
Using router link.
So router link again. Okay, let me complete the video. So again, if you click Visit Studio, it is redirecting to you another landing where you have one more side nav. And this side nav consists of 2 options, 2 side nav. One is for upload, the other one is for live. What will happen when you click upload?
Another landing page.
Upload component.
HTML tablet driven form.
The sprint 2. When you click live,
Reactive form.
get to sprint 3. Yeah. So this is our sprint 1. In sprint 1, in header, you will have this Visit Studio. So when you click this Visit Studio, it will land up in another. Sorry. So when you click this Visit Studio, if you noticed, do you find any changes on header? Earlier, this is our header. Header consists of YouTube with side nav bar and all these search text box with all these 4 icons. So when you click Visit Studio, even your header component gets changed. There will be new heading. And inside that side nav bar, we have upload and view. When you click upload, it should redirect it to upload functionality, upload content component. When you click live, it should go to live stream functionality. Oh, what additional hint I can give? So one more hint I want to give is you have to create one another header component. So when you click this Visit Studio, again by using navigation, you need to create a new header component. So consists of heading and side nav. In this side nav, you have upload and live. So if you click upload, it will go to this component. And when you click live, again, when you click YouTube, it has to go back to your wherever, header component or app component, wherever you land up as your home or landing page. So live stream, I was talking about this only as a chip bar. Video stream. And when you click YouTube, it has to go back to your actual landing. Yes, go ahead with your queries. Initially, we had a navigation and dashboard. Now you have to create one more header, one more schematic navigation, and it consists of, so it consists of only YouTube Studio as a header and 2 side nav. When you click YouTube, it has to go back to your home landing, and upload and live will navigate to the respective component. So guys, are you there? Will you give a try? So you just start.
Yes, ma'am.
One hint I want to give is you have to create one more navigation header component with this heading and these 3 side navigation. And yes, of course. So configure in your app routing with your root. And these 2 are children. So upload and live were children. Okay, think about it. It's a simple. You complete this as for the sprint. So later we will add those video service and we will add a video stream. Okay, start. So always when you click YouTube, the default an empty landing page will be your header component. And there will be a studio, Visit Studio. When you click Visit Studio, you will have new header. And new header consists of 2 children. One children is your upload, the other child is your live stream. And if it is wildcard, you have some error component and you end up in error component. I don't think it's required. This is the case. Tell me. You please start. Wherever you got stuck, then we will discuss. Or if you have some other idea also, you implement. This is your requirement. And this video is also appended along with your sprint. What, Siddharth? Anything you want to?
Ma'am, we need.
This part alone we will handle later. Tell me.
Ma'am, we need new component for this new header.
Correct.
Yes.
You need to generate a new component for this header. You need to modify your actual header component.
Yes.
Yes, of course. You need to modify the header which we created on sprint 1. So when you click this Visit Studio, it has to end up in new header component. And that header you need to customize with this YouTube Studio heading and these side nav. It does not take much time. And always your content will not be your hard component. So now your content will be either upload video detail or live. Think about it. Okay, so analyze it, think wherever you